this is just to show you the extent of the rust that I found on the PX125. I haven't had time to show you. It's been done for actually I've rubbed it down a couple of weeks ago, or a week ago or something like. But I'm really busy at this time of the year with the bikes and whatever. So this is back to clean metal, but it's been treated twice now. I mean, the rest of it's solid. This has gone right back as far to the bare metal. It's hard to see now because it's gone black with the treatment I used, which is, I'll show you when I get to the other side. But everything else is solid. I mean, obviously I've got this to key up and whatever, but I don't think it's beneficial to sand it all down because there's absolutely nothing wrong here. And as I say, on here I went, it was only across here, to be honest with you, like, and I don't know if you can really see it there, like. But I've gone back to obviously to clean shiny metal. And I will go around the other side. And that's what I've used. I've used it before and it's absolutely excellent. Crust, hammer by Campervan. It's absolutely brilliant rust stopper. And the same here, everything went back to clean metal. You can't see the clean metal so much now because, as I say, with that rust treatment, it goes black when it neutralises and stabilises the rusty areas, like so. But everything is clean metal there as well. Like, it's just, I took a bit off with the sander there just to check it and everything's fine. So I don't think I need to actually do all of this, like, I mean, because as I say, it's clean metal. I mean, the black, you can see there's a blinking black undercoat because there's a black undercoat underneath the red. And it's absolutely clean metal, like, and it is absolutely solid. So I just thought I'd show you this because you'd be wondering what's happened to it, and for the people that subscribe to the channel because of the scooter, well, I do apologise, but it's really busy with rallies and wingdings and what have you at the moment, so that'll be the bulk of what goes on the channel, and to be honest with you, it'll not, all the videos will not get done until sometime later on in the year when I'm back in the cooler months probably. So, but hopefully I'll get this tidied up down here and get some new floor rails put on. I'll put new ones on, I think, and get this out for a couple more spins around the local area because it's beautiful around here. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Please stay subscribed. There will be more scooter content coming in due course. But enjoy the motorcycle and have a look at them because they're quite enjoyable rides we do. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.